So you need to mastermind yourself and understand these 15 qualities, be it the psychologist, be it the interviewing officer, or be it the GTO. In their respective techniques, are just assessing you guys on just these 15 qualities. So if you don't demonstrate these 15 qualities in these 3 techniques differently, because they are 3 different human beings. The GTO is a different person, interviewing officer is a different person, psychologist is a different person, but you as a candidate is the same person. But you guys are being assessed over these 15 qualities, right? So what is it that you guys need to do? Is demonstrate these 15 qualities. So I'll spend about 5 to 10 minutes basically on what it basically means as to how you demonstrate. We'll start with the psychology, then I'll go to the interview, and finally to the GTO technique which you'll be doing tomorrow. Right? So my name, you'll have already seen, Cavalier India. I'm an ex-GTO of one of the SSBs out here. And having been a live GTO, I would like to tell you certain things that you people miss out. The GTO ground is fine, the interview is fine, but where you miss out in the psychology are on 2 different techniques called the TAT. What's a TAT? Thematic appreciation test. Everybody knows it?
Yes.
What happens in a thematic appreciation test?
We write 11 stories based on the pictures given, and then we'll have a blank slide. We write a story.
Okay.
Each.
So he's right. So your understanding is very, very right. That there will be a picture which is shown to you on a screen like this for 30 seconds. Then the picture is removed and you are expected to write a story based on that picture, giving the name of the character and what is happening there. That method has already been explained to you. So that story what you are writing, and the hero in that story is none other than you yourself. Understood? So like you correctly said, one picture is shown, you write a story. Next picture is shown, you write a story. 11 such pictures are shown and you write 11 such stories. And the last one be?
Blank slide.
A blank slide. And you write a story per scene. Now remember what I told you in the first. The psychologist, like the interviewing officer and the GTO, is evaluating you guys on these 15 qualities. So let's try and understand the picture that you people have just written a story about. There's a picture shown and the story you write. Ram is coming from his office. He suddenly sees that there is a grand kiosk in the road on a junction, and he gets down and he finds that the traffic light is not working. So he gets down and calls 2-3 people, goes to the panchayat office, goes to the BBMP office and tell them to repair the traffic light, and thereafter the traffic light started working, and thereafter no more traffic jam, and Ram gets Paramveer Chakra. Next picture. Ram is coming from his office and he suddenly sees there's a kiosk on the road. When he gets down, he sees the normal canal out there is flooded with plastic waste, and because of which the water is flowing on top of the road. So he calls the villagers and removes all those plastic bags, and then after the water started flowing, and no more problem, Paramveer Chakra. Third picture. Ram is coming from his office and he suddenly sees on the main road there is an accident. The child is lying down on the car and bleeding. And he sees nobody is doing anything. So he picks up the child and takes him in his car and goes to the hospital and gives first aid to the child. And then calls up his parents, and the parents are very thankful. Paramveer Chakra. And the 11 stories go like this. So what have you done? I'm over-exaggerating this story to give you a message. So what have you done in all these stories? You try to be a good boy. Like clearing the traffic light, driving this thing, clearing the clearing that, game. So what have you done in these 15 qualities? You have only addressed these 3 qualities. You are a good human being at heart, your sense of responsibility is good, you are socially adaptable, you do all those things. So what have you done? So all your 11 stories you have written everything about fact. So those 3 qualities, your social adaptability, sense of responsibility, cooperation, very good. But where are the balanced 12 qualities? The psychologist is not seeing you. He is only reading your literature that you have written. Understood? So what do people need to understand and what do people need to do? Start doing it now. That every picture that you see, try and put across 2 to 3 qualities amongst these 15 qualities. Understood? Sir. Only then you will cover all the 15 qualities. Otherwise, the benefit of doubt will not be given to you. Your that quality will be found missing as far as the psychologist is concerned. So learn the habit of looking at pictures and writing stories, at least having 2 to 3 of these 15 qualities in each of your stories that you write. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can do that practice. Now, despite having done that, you do it, practice it. And then after start underlining, you have covered these qualities in your story writing, in 11 pictures that you have written. But despite that, you will find that there will be 2 to 3 qualities amongst them which are still missing. Got it? Now this is where the 12th picture comes to your head. The 12th picture is a blank picture. So whichever is that 2 to 3 quality which is naturally missing in your pattern of story writing, write that story now. Prepare it today. It's a blank picture after all. Got it? So learn this art of covering all these 15 qualities in this method. Any doubts, any clarification so far?
No, sir.
Similarly, the next one is what? WAT, Word Association Test. How many words?
60 words.
How much time?
15 seconds.
30 minutes? 60 words. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Have you asked this question? Why 60 words? Why not 75 words? Why not 90 words? Why not 100 words? There's the reason and the pattern. There are 15 qualities. For each quality, there are 4 words arranged in a particular pattern. 15 fours are 60. So let's say, for example, word number 1, word number 4, word number 8, and word number 12 corresponds to a sense of responsibility. And because of your writing speed or whatever, you missed word number 1, word number 4, word number 8, and word number 12. Sense of responsibility, the psychologist cannot perceive. So what does it mean? It means, please write all the 60 words, some sentence. At least you stand a chance. Got it? Otherwise you stand no chance in that particular pattern. So that's the science that I need to make you people understand and correlate it with these 15 qualities which are present in front of you. Any doubts, any clarification on this little clues that I just given you guys?